How to connect Shopify store with CJ Dropshipping. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your CJ Dropshipping account and click on the My CJ icon at the bottom right of the screen. Once you do that, click on Authorization and make sure that you are on the Shopify tab. Once you are, click on the plus icon at the top right of the screen. It will show you all of these steps which we will do right now in order to link the accounts. Click on Authorize at the bottom of the screen. You will be redirected to the Shopify App Store, from which you need to install the CJ Dropshipping app by clicking on the Add App button. You will be redirected to your Shopify installation page. Maybe you need to log into your account if you are not, but if you are, you will be redirected straightly to the page in which you will be able to install the CJ Dropshipping app on your Shopify account by simply clicking on the Install App at the bottom. And once you do that, the app will be installed and you will be redirected back to the CJ Dropshipping, in which you want to click on Authorize, which is the first option. And by doing that, you will link your CJ Dropshipping account to your Shopify store. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add your CJ Dropshipping account to your Shopify store. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.